Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone feels well and staying safe. If you are new here, welcome, and if you like my video, please keep watching and don't forget to press like, subscribe with notification bell. It really helps. Today my video is about Ramadan Decoration 2. They are 3 pieces. This is the first one. Crescent, and this is the second one, and this is the third one. For this one, all I need cardboard. I cut it out as a crescent. I need 3 pieces. Rust-Oleum metallic paint from Walmart. Gems from Walmart too. This kind of beads from Hobby Lobby. And all the ribbon from Hobby Lobby. This kind of ribbon, turquoise, and this one gold accent lake chain, Hobby Lobby too, and this one braided gold trim, gold, all of them with 50%. Just this one from Dollar Tree, diamond rub ribbon. And I need pencil, scissor, and hot glue gun. At the beginning, I painted 2 crescent with metallic gold paint from one side, like this one, to be the front and the back of the crescent. This is the 3 pieces, like that. Then I cut the chain, to glue it at the first crescent. Is better. Like that. After that, I will glue the 3 pieces together. Now I have to draw my crescent design. You can draw whatever you like. pattern. So beautiful, this one. Now it's time to cover the edges with the diamond wrap ribbon. Now I have to cover the edges from the front. I will begin from here. Don't worry if it's not like perfect, it will cover with this one. So last step, I will glue the gems on the beads. So that's it. For this one, the second one, the star, all I need, this wood star from Dollar Tree, this is stencil, also from Dollar Tree, this one, beaded garland from Hobby Lobby with 50%, it's I think from wedding section. The paint, metallic gold paint, and this one turquoise acrylic, this from Dollar Tree, and the same ribbon and the chain from Hobby Lobby. So first, take it out, this one, and paint it from the front and the back with the metallic gold. I already painted it, so after that I did the 2 straight line with pencil so that it will be straight. Now I will use the stencil with the turquoise paint to do Ramadan Kareem. I will do like one letter. After I'm done with the letters and do like 2 stars from the stencil, I will glue the beaded garland. After that, I will use this ribbon and put it inside around the star. I'm done with it. So now I will glue the gems. Last step, insert the chain. This star has a small hole. So that's it. On the third piece, this one, I draw the pattern, just a half, and then repeat it again, like that, on the cardboard. And this is the same step as the crescent. Draw my design and glue the ribbon. Just I add this with tassel, all the beads from Dollar Tree, and this the yarn from Dollar Tree too. This yarn, and that's it. So these are Ramadan decoration pieces. I hope you like them. Thank you so much for watching this video.